Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of SoFi Technologies, ticker symbol SOFI, which closed on the day Tuesday, February 13th at a price of $8.02, being down almost 4% on the day after hitting a top right around this 50% retracement level at a price of $8.45. And I actually suggested in last week's video, which was really a clip taken from a live stream, so I would encourage you to check those out because I go over a lot of interesting tickers in them. And so, yeah, I had suggested that that could be a top because there was some confluence between this level and a previous Fibonacci retracement that I had done. And that's exactly what we saw. On, let's see, yesterday, February 12th, we saw SoFi top out at a price of $8.50. Also, being a psychological level there, $8.02. And so then we did get a pullback from that high with, again, this close right around $8 being another psychological level there. And it looks like we did return to this 236 at a price of $7.92, which again, I did suggest that could happen in last week's video. So I think that's pretty cool. And then we did get a close above that level as well as this level marked at $7.88 by this red line here. And so I do think that is good that the pullback did lead to, a close above support. It does look like on the day today, we did get a wick up to a high of $8.21, so just below that 382 level at $8.22. So yeah, I do think that, this rise and fall is kind of predictable based on this retracement. So I think that's pretty interesting. And yeah, I do think that price might be settling out around this level, as you do notice that there is a volume shelf over here. And that does suggest that price could be finding support there. If we do take a step back, we do see that shelf is pretty well pronounced going back in time. There's been a lot of consolidation around that level. So I do think price could be settling out around here, and we could be getting another attempt at these higher prices, potentially, basically stair-stepping our way up here, potentially going to the 618 at a price of $8.69. So I do think that is quite possible. But in case price does go a little bit lower, I'm just going to do one more retracement here so we can get an idea of where price might settle at. So going from the low here at $7.45 up to the high here at $8.50. Got that nice little retracement there. I'm just going to color that yellow so it stands out. And it does look like the 618 here is at a price of $7.85, and the open, the open today was at $7.84, so just below that level, closing above the 50% retracement at $7.97. So I do think that, with all of these levels here, it does seem like price could be residing there. But if we do see a drop, where might price settle at? We see the 786 here at a price of $7.67. So if we do get another red day going down maybe 4% or so, that could be bringing us to 767. So do keep that in mind. But if we don't hold that level, this purple level marked at $7.50, again, just a psychological level, also coinciding with a full retracement here, price could most definitely be returning there. But, I am hopeful that we do see some consolidation here before another rally up to test the 618. And possibly by the time I do another video next week, we could be up around $9 testing the 786. But, that could be resistance, and we could see another pullback just like we saw here. So do keep that in mind. But, those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.